Hey lovies, welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you yet another delightful recipe. This may not be very popular, but trust me, this is super delicious. A perfect condiment to enjoy any of your favorite meal. And as you can see, I am using karaliee or karaila. If you know this as any other names, let me know in the comments below. Depends on what part of the world you are looking on from. You may have a different name for this. So I went ahead and started by washing it. I gave this a good wash. I removed the top here. I removed the bottom, or which this is the top, this is the bottom, whichever. But I removed it, and let us start cleaning this now. I'm gonna just cut this down in half because we need to remove the seeds. You see? So you're gonna cut each one of this straight down. Just like so. And I'm going to remove all the seeds from in here. I'm using a spoon, scooping out all the inside, just like this. Allow it to be nice and clean. Again. See? I've removed all the seeds. And these are young karaliee. You do not want to use the ripe karaliee. Okay, because you want that little crunch at the end. You do not want it to be, you know, overcooked and all that. And this amchar was requested by someone on one of my Facebook Live. I cannot recall your name right now, but whoever requested it, well, you asked for it and I deliver. Now as you can see here, all the seeds have been removed and it's time to cut it up. You can cut this just like that in thicker slices. You can cut it straight down like this and just give it some, like just about 1.5 inches or so, or to your desired length. Everybody got their own preference. So see, it's cut up here nicely now. And if you are hoping that I will say I'm going to put salt and wring that out now, well, you are wrong, because we're not going to cook this as if we're making karaliee, fried karaliee. It's karaliee, amchar, whatever you want to call it. You want to cut this as equal as possible. And while I was cutting this, I had the water boiling. So let's head over to the stove and put this in that boiling water. In goes the chopped up karaliee. Give this a good stir. And we're not going to boil this. We're not going to cook this. We're just going to steam this here for just about 1 minute. Like I said, we are not cooking this. We are not boiling it to get soft. We are just leaving this here for just about 1 minute. No salt in here. 2 minutes and it's time to remove this from this water. Remember, we do not want this to be overcooked. What it looks like here now, it's all drained out, and as you can see, it is not overcooked. The intention was not to cook this thoroughly. It remained in all the whole pieces. The oil is nice and hot here now, not too hot because I do not want to be sneezing. In goes the garlic, pepper, and go as hot as you want with this. And now allow this garlic and pepper to cook up there nicely. With a little bit of bandania, and those of you who do not like the taste of the bandania or shadow benny, you are free to omit this. I like to cook this until it turns a little bit grainy, so I know it is properly well cooked. Make sure it has enough oil, because the oil works as a preservative as well. Add some salt in here, but this is not the salt for the karaliee really. This is just the flavor of that garlic and pepper there. And now for the amchar masala. Chief reason is taste, yours and mine. And this masala will kind of soak up the oil. So what I'm going to do here now is add a little bit of mustard oil. Remember, we want that anchar to preserve nicely. We do not want it to spoil very quickly. Now for the main ingredient, the star of the show here. Salt to taste. This is for the karaliee now. Remember, we already have some salt, and guys, that salt is a very light salt. You may think it's too much salt I put, but trust me, I have average with it. So give this a good turn, give it a good mix on low heat. Now you do not want this to overcook. We want a little crunchiness in this when it is done. If you have watched this video so far, it means that you are enjoying it. So leave me a comment below. Where are you looking on from? So I would give someone a shout out in my next video. And once again, to the person who requested this, I cannot remember your name right now, but you requested and I delivered. I'm going to keep this on low heat for just about maybe 3 to 5 minutes. I'll keep turning it so that it will get coated evenly with the garlic, the pepper, the shadow benny, and all that good stuff. The salt will be mixed in there nicely as well. I am emphasizing on that point. We do not want it to overcook. It smells so good right now. Perfect for dal and rice and bhaji. What would you like to have with this karaliee anchar? So this is it, guys. This is the final product. Look at that karaliee anchar. If you like this video, please leave me a comment at the bottom. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.